everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use the CurseForge app to install mods in Minecraft. The CurseForge app makes it easy to install and manage Minecraft mods without moving files manually. First, open your web browser and go to the official CurseForge website. Then click the Get CurseForge app button and choose the version for your PC. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app. When the installation is finished, click Minecraft. Then, click Create a Custom Profile. Give your profile a name. Then choose the Minecraft version you want to play and select a mod loader such as Fabric, Forge, NeoForge, Quilt, or just plain vanilla. As an example, I'll choose Fabric. And once you're ready, click Create. Next, click the custom profile you've created. Then click Add Content. As an example, I'm going to search for the Sarah's Minimap mod. When you find the mod, simply click Install next to it. Then CurseForge app automatically download the mod and placed it in the correct folder. When you're finished, click Play to launch your custom Minecraft profile with your installed mods. And as you can see, at the top left corner, you'll see the Sarah's Minimap mod that has been installed. And that's it. Thanks for watching.